How to make a PPT in Canva. Technically, there is no possible way of making a PowerPoint presentation, as PowerPoint is another software. Now what we're trying to make here that's similar to a PowerPoint presentation is a presentation. Now you can either go to the templates and search for the presentations option. So over here, you can browse templates in the presentation area. But if you want to start from scratch with your presentation with no implemented designs yet, and you want to make something more original, just go ahead and press the plus button over here in the middle. So it's beside the templates. Press on the plus and go ahead and find the presentation, which is the 16 by 9. Press on that and you should have a clear canvas where you can place and create whichever or whatever design you want. So it's gonna give me options for templates, but we want something from scratch because we're original. So as you can see here, we can do whatever we want now. Let's put a circle in our presentation, and as you can see, our presentation now contains a circle, and we can also add more pages if we want to do so, add some colors and whatnot. It's pretty much up to you at this point, but that's how you make a presentation in Canva in mobile. So if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all. Thank you.